Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Inksprout, an AI social media summarizer that claims to help you to create better content, to share on social media faster with their AI social media summarize. So compose clear, trustworthy captions when sharing links on social media with Inksprout's AI writing assistant, whether you are sharing industry news or your blog posts. The idea here is to help you to share more content on social media in a meaningful way, helping you to summarize your social media content. Instead of reading all the article to know how to write about on social media, you just use Inksprout to do it with the AI, and I'm gonna show you how it works. First, let's check out the deal. One-time purchase of $46.80 and you're gonna get 150 captions per month and 60 videos per month. But if you get another code, and that's the better plan, you're gonna get their premium plan with 1,000 of captions per month. I bought 2 codes. For me, it's better because the limit is much better, and 400 videos as well. And I'm gonna show you how the tool works. You can capture the URL using their Chrome extension. So say you are navigating on the New York Times and you like that news about President Biden and the Russians issues. Then you just click on the extension and the extension will automatically the news for you. And then you go to the Inksprout dashboard to learn how it works. So I just click it on the extension and now I'm going to the Inksprout. Here's their website. And then you can see here that I already have that post here with my summary here. The summary that they created: President Biden faced the challenge of maintaining unity with allies as he seeks to balance deterrence and punishment in dealing with President Vladimir Putin of Russia. So if I want to extend, or in a way that I will get more summary, I just click here and the tool will keep writing it for me. And if I want to post, I click here. You can connect your social media to share directly using Inksprout, or you can use your best social tool manager. As you can see here, the AI is creating my suggestions to prompt on social media. You can go here on the summary and select which parts of the summary you want to share on social media. So you just click here and your summary will go to your blog post. And then you click here and you have 2 pieces of content to share on social media. If you want to post, you just click here and you will post. You can also schedule your posts, and here is where you select where you will post that news. You can also add quotes on your blog post. You can select one that would be visible to that news. For instance, you can create here and then you are adding the code, so you're creating the content. You can rewrite your piece of content using their paraphrase feature. And here you can see the tool gave me a rewrite to that Oscar Wilde quote. And here I select the first paragraph and click it here to rewrite again. And the tool gave me that rewrite to substitute, replace that one here on the screen. So they have the paraphrase feature, that's the rewrite, the quotes, the summary that you can keep going, creating more paragraph to the summary, as you can see here. And you can add the ones that you like most to share on social media. You also can create the prompts, and let's show you the features that you have as well. You can create videos from your blog posts. Let's check that one that I was working on. Can science rule out God? So if I want to transform that blog post on a video, I just click here and I can click create an audio, or I can customize it. I'll click here to customize. You can change the text color and also the captions that you're gonna add. You can add that one or that one. You can select from the AI. Let's say I want the second one. For me, it's better. I can include or not the caption. I can select the color of the text, for instance, green. I can select the position of the text, the style, if plain, outline, or background color, the size of the text, and those are the suggested videos, but you can change the videos as well. The AI in that case didn't select well relating to the topic. You can select a music for your video. The AI already selected the first one. You can include voice, and the voice you can select if male or female. You can include your brand cover at the end. You can select the speeds and also the ratio if you want to create an Instagram story, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram post, all social media, or YouTube. And then you click here to create your video.
Most researchers assume that science and religion
Here's the video.
are separate fields. As physicists investigate the most fundamental characteristics of nature, they're tackling issues that have long been the province of philosophers.
Here is the video.
Most researchers assume that science and religion are completely separate fields. As physicists investigate the most fundamental characteristics of nature, they're tackling issues that have long been the province of philosophers, a necessary being which has its reason for existence in itself.
But the cool video that you create like in seconds to share on social media. You can, for instance, create several Instagram reels using that kind of strategy with the daily news. Okay, and here they have a news inside the tool that will give you the best articles of the day. You just can add your preferred RSS field, or you can add a keyword. For instance, let's add here politics. I added the politics, and then if I click here, I'm gonna get the best politics here on marketing, here on politics, and I will take the best politics news of the day. Okay, the brand is so toxic, Democrats fear extinction in rural US, New Orleans, etc. So you get the best politics news, and if I want to click here, then I get the best marketing news. So there is a RSS feed inside the tool. Here you can use automations to get more articles on the tool. You can, for instance, start a drip campaign. So here, selecting the article, I can select the account that I will publish the article, the campaign duration, 9 posts during 12 months. I can select hashtags. They already gave me the best hashtags for that campaign, and I can select also the post captions that the AI picked to run this drip campaign during 12 months. So that's one of their automations. Here there's a video automation as well. So you can activate that every time you make a summary, you will create a video. And here you can add an RSS link to make a summary of every incoming article from that RSS link. So you are gonna use that, for instance, if you have a blog and you want to automatize the process of creating summaries for your new articles, you just add your RSS here. You, for instance, can choose the bullet format, and they will add automatically on Inksprout. You don't need to do it manually. You can also upload a CSV with articles to automatize the process. Also, they have an API if you want to use it and know it. Here on social accounts is where you're gonna add your social accounts. I am not going to use much the post feature. I prefer to post using my social media tools. Here, as your brand cover, your video cover, you can add your logo, the name of your brand, and a tagline, and then you have a video cover for each video. And the summary settings, so usually do not add a limit in here, otherwise they will limit the number of summary that they will create. Okay, so the tool is pretty easy to use. You just use the extension to get the articles that you want. You just need to click on the extension and they will automatically add on Inksprout. Or you can even import a link clicking here. You can use the automatization features, and then you use their AI to create your blog post or even your YouTube descriptions and many more. With a summarize and a paraphrase, you can use Killbot with Inksprout to create a whole blog post using only a couple of existing posts that we are gonna to paraphrase it, creating a new content. So that's the Inksprout review. I totally recommend you to get two codes. I hope you like it. Bye bye.